Okay, so guys, I am currently filming my pastor's surprise anniversary getaway. What do I call it? Anniversary surprise getaway, or yeah. So a couple of people on the team who are, setting up the place, and this is what the decorator has done. Just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look. And this is the lead decorator. Yes, she's the brain and power and manpower behind this beautiful decoration here. So let's look at amazing wife since 2012, amazing husband since 2012. So that's a total of 10 years anniversary. So you guys, this is a moment of God when, but we know we're in line as it's coming, and we tap into their marital bliss. Okay, so I will take you guys with me, and then you'll see their reaction when they come in. Currently, they're having lunch, and so we're gonna bring them in soon. Peace out. So we got a couple of persons helping out with the decoration, decorating the car that is going to be carrying Pastor Philip and Pastor Funmi. And we've got Jonathan, we've got Lisa, we've got Tammy, and we've got Yemi. And I don't recall the other lady's name, I just met her, I'm sorry. But everyone was so helpful, and it was such a beautiful and simple decoration. And now here is the ride that is going to be picking them up. The decoration was so simple and cute. I kind of enjoyed filming this. It made me feel like I was filming some kind of a car advert video, and I think it's super cool. So a couple of minutes after service, Pastor Philip and Funmi's attentions were called outside, and only for them to see the surprise vehicle waiting for them to pick them up. Pastor Funmi just couldn't stop asking, "Where are my kids? What's going to happen to the kids?" But we convinced them that their kids are in safe hands and they were free to go and enjoy their vacation. They just arrived Frazier Suites for their lunch, and afterwards they're going to be checked into their hotel room. So first they were supposed to have their buffet lunch, and it was just a quiet time for the both of them, and I'm pretty sure they had a good time. So here they're walking into their love nest, and this is their reaction.
Are you serious? Wow. Amazing husband since 2012. Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Is it testimony? As I was doing, I was still trying to put on my shoes.
It was so hilarious seeing Pastor Funmi trying to put two and two together to understand what was going on and how we were able to pull this off, and it was so hilarious. She just couldn't understand. She couldn't believe that all these preparations were just for her and her husband. So guys, just enjoy the view. I know that this is not a video you would expect to see on my channel, but I filmed this video and I thought I should just share it. So enjoy the view and enjoy the scenery, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Yes.
Grateful. Thank you.
But please give us one for the camera, both of you, sir. Yes,
Like,
please.
you know how we do now.
Yes, please. Sir, no, sir. Sir, that's what I subscribe for.
About today. To be intentional.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yes,
This
sir.
is very, very fast.
We're not here.
So
We're not
what
here.
fast?
We're not
4
here, sir.
seconds at least. 4 seconds. Which one?
4 seconds.
And enjoy it. Because you're like,
No, you game.
That's perfect.